Hi there, this is Dr. K. I want to give you some inputs on how to download assignments. Some people seem to have problems with that. And also how to insert pictures. There are tons of tutorials available. So yeah, you need to figure this out even for future assignments. But let me give you a quick rundown how to do this. So what you need to do is you need to take pictures of whatever you want to insert on your cell phone, somehow download it to the computer, and then you need to download the assignment. And there's several ways of doing this one. If you go to the assignment page with the labs, here I brought one up. You can see it right there in the background. These are all your lab assignments with the freely downloadable lab manual. Okay, so there are two types of files you can download. You can download it either as a PDF, which many of you have done, or you can download it as a doc document, as a Microsoft Word doc document. Okay, I tell you right now, inserting pictures in the PDF document is a little bit more cumbersome, and some of you may need a PDF editor. I got it to work on the free Adobe Reader, and I'll show this to you in a second. But you also can download this one as a DOC file. So let's first click on that one, and what should happen is if I click on this one, I even say open link in new tab, you can see the lab exercise actually opens. I cannot do anything when it opens in my browser. I need to download it as a PDF. Okay, and of course you all know how to do this. You click on this button and the beast will then download into a file like lab exercise number 2, and we can do that. Let me go back to the original side and see what happens when I click on the doc file. Nothing. And you get frustrated, say, well, maybe it's not working. There's a workaround by right-clicking the whole thing, and you get this drop-down menu, as you can see here, and then you click on Save Link As. Save Link As. I'm going to click on that one, and this page then opens, Lab Exercise 2 Doc, and you can now save it as the doc file. And we'll show you how to manipulate both of those. Now, every now and then, you get this little warning sign, and it says, okay, Lab Exercise 2 Doc can't be downloaded securely. Now that can have several reasons why. I haven't quite figured it out. What the system does. I think it reads the file where the doc file is located as just an HTTP and not an HTTPS, and Google Chrome has made it so you cannot download from HTTP files. But that's a workaround too. If you get this alert, I promise my files are safe. What you do is it says discard right here, but you can also click on the drop-down menu, and then you get the learn more and keep button. So I'm going to keep this one, and now you can see it actually downloaded. If I'm not quite sure, I can go here, show in folder, and it's there. I got the doc file in the folder. All right, let's open one of those and see how we can insert a picture. So here's Lab Exercise 2. I'm gonna open it up and see what will happen. Okay, we opened lab number 2. I enlarged it already a little bit. We're gonna scroll down to the next page here, and it says insert or paste mineral sample, insert a picture. And I want to show you how to insert pictures. Now this is now open in a Acrobat Reader, a PDF file, and PDF files are a little bit more cumbersome to put in a picture. I'm going to show it to you anyway. So first of all, we need to have the picture downloaded somewhere. You took it with your phone, it's downloaded. I have something prefabbed here. Here's my picture. So this one is a picture I would like to insert. How do I do this very, very quickly and easily? Well, thanks to your Microsoft operating system, there is a very, very simple keyboard combination that you can use. It consists of the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key. And if I push all of these three simultaneously, my screen will darken and I get this interesting looking sheet. And what I can do now is I can just drag the area you want to snap. You can crop it right away and it will automatically save things to your clipboard, which is pretty neat. So now we have the picture captured, and we need to go back to our file right there and insert that picture into this file. And I would like to put it in this field, for example. All right. Very simple. I now push my Control V button for insert and the picture will pop up. Now it's huge and I need to make it a little smaller. So we're going to click on this one and we're going to find an edge. Hopefully I can. I move it around a little bit to find the edge and then we'll make it a little smaller. Okay, and there you go. You just need to do it a few more times for all the other fields to be populated. And this is how you can then insert it into a PDF file. You just then need to go to File up here and save the file as whatever you want to save it as. You can do this right now. Maybe in the recent folder, we give it a new name. And call it lab 2 populated or something like that, so it saves as such, and you are done by inserting pictures. Let's try the other method by using the Word document. So once we open the Word document, you can see it here, very, very similar. We can also insert a picture. Again, I would like to insert it here. I put my cursor there and then I push the infamous Control V button. And there it is. Actually here it's neat because it senses a table, Word senses a table and already scales it to the right size, and that's inserted. A very simple way. Now you just have to save your document, populate the rest, fill it out, manipulate it any way you want. And now for Word documents, remember you need to convert it into a PDF file. How do we do this? Well, you go to the File button right there, and you want to export this file and basically just push the button Create a PDF file, and again call it Lab 2 Create or something like this, and we're going to save this one or publish it to this particular file. You can then open the file and see if it looks any good. I'll show you. I'll drag it over and see if our picture is actually there. Here it is. It saved it beautifully. And now you can upload, after it's all completed, you can upload the document. Hopefully this was helpful and you get to learn how to use Word and PDF and picture snapping utilities a little bit better and be more successful in my class.